to SNAutoLuxury, your trusted source for in-depth reviews, detailed specifications, and exclusive features of the world's most stylish, high-performing, and luxurious vehicles. Today we shift our focus to a compact car that has consistently punched above its weight in terms of design, performance, and quality. We're talking about the Mazda 3, a vehicle that continues to set benchmarks in its segment through a combination of sharp styling, driving dynamics, and premium craftsmanship. The Mazda 3 is available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, giving buyers the flexibility to choose based on their style and space preferences. Under the hood, the car offers a variety of powertrain options depending on the market, but the most common is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. This engine is known for its smooth delivery and responsive performance, making the Mazda 3 a joy to drive whether in the city or on the highway. A turbocharged version is also available in select trims, boosting power up to 250 horsepower when using premium fuel and transforming the vehicle into a genuinely quick and athletic machine. One of the standout aspects of the Mazda 3 is its driving dynamics. Thanks to Mazda's Skyactiv vehicle architecture and finely tuned suspension, the car feels composed, agile, and engaging behind the wheel. It's one of the few vehicles in its class that delivers a truly connected driving experience. The steering is precise, the chassis is balanced, and the ride quality strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Available all-wheel drive enhances stability and traction, especially in adverse weather conditions, giving it a premium edge over many of its front-wheel drive competitors. From the outside, the Mazda 3 is a work of art. Mazda's Kodo design language emphasizes clean lines, a flowing silhouette, and a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The hatchback has a sportier, more youthful appearance, while the sedan leans toward elegance and refinement. Premium touches such as LED lighting, sleek alloy wheels, and a bold front grille contribute to a design that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury lineup. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that redefines expectations for a compact car. The cabin is built with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout that emphasizes simplicity and functionality. Mazda has focused on driver-centric design, positioning controls and displays for minimal distraction. The infotainment system is controlled via a rotary dial on the center console, paired with an 8.8-inch display that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available Bose premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, adding to the upscale feel of the interior. In terms of safety and technology, the Mazda 3 is packed with advanced features. Standard driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and a driver attention alert. Higher trims add extras like a 360-degree camera system, traffic jam assist, and a head-up display, showcasing Mazda's commitment to safety across the lineup. The Mazda 3 stands out by offering a complete package. It delivers style, comfort, technology, and performance in a way that rivals vehicles from much higher price brackets. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a driving enthusiast, or someone looking for a premium-feeling daily driver without the premium price tag, the Mazda 3 is a compelling choice that deserves serious consideration. Thank you for watching this detailed review on SNAutoLuxury. If you enjoyed learning about the Mazda 3 and want more reviews on exceptional vehicles from across the automotive world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you the finest in luxury and performance automotive content.